We are making maple syrup. It's a super easy recipe. We're using a cup of maple syrup. That's the only ingredient. Okay, now it's on the stove, and I'm going to turn this to medium high, not too high. And we're going to heat the maple syrup up. I think it said to 275. I'll have to look at that. Okay, double check the temperature. It's 235 that we need to bring it to, and we're nowhere near that. It's coming to a boil. We're supposed to bring it to a boil at 235. It happened rather fast. I've not done this before, and when it comes to temp, it starts bubbling up like this. I can see very easily how it would get out of control. So my tip, if you choose to do this recipe, is to be very careful. Okay, and we're going to let it set here for 10 minutes and cool this for about 10 minutes. And now we need to stir it for about 5. It's supposed to come down to 175. We're actually a little less than that. We're about 170. So we're going to stir this for 5 minutes. Okay, it's very much looking like caramel. I have no idea if we're doing this right. Ooh, look at that. It's supposed to lighten up, but I don't think it looks lighter, do you?
We get the rest of the syrup out and see.
This is what we have. I have no idea. So this is how it's supposed to be, and we're going to attempt to put it in our molds. So here we go. Ooh, very messy.
Too thick.
Yeah, it's probably a better way to do this.
I think all our candy is going to be connected.
Yeah.
Heart-shaped candy.
Yeah.
How are we going to get out of this?
These are silicone, so they pop out. Okay, you can turn it super thick, and I'm just like pressing it into the mold and then trying to scrape off the excess to put in the others. And somebody is just licking her fingers.
It's a spoon with caramel on it, not fingers.
Oh. Are you getting this in the right place?
On the what?
Are you getting it in the right place?
The camera?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I think because we're in Florida and it's like 80 degrees here today, that we're going to put these in the refrigerator.
What do people usually do? You are in Florida.
They leave them out on the counter. It hasn't been that long, I'm going to say 10, 15 minutes since I put these in the fridge, and then I recently read that you're not supposed to do that, but they've turned out so good. Look at that. That one's not great. These are really shallow, and I'm finding that they are just breaking, but these deeper molds are perfect. Oh, well, except right there, but on this side they're perfect. I'm going for perfect. It's probably better to do this with 2 hands. Anyway, they're turning out really good. They're really good. they're also really addictive. Probably because they're pure sugar.